Today's story begins when a mysterious body is discovered under impossible circumstances. What looks like a simple autopsy quickly becomes something far darker and deadly. This is the autopsy of Jane Doe. The movie opens in a quiet small town where police respond to a disturbing crime scene. Inside a house, several people are dead, but there's no sign of forced entry. Everything looks violent. Except in the basement lies the body of an unidentified woman. She looks completely unharmed, almost like she died peacefully. They start the examination. Her tongue is cut out. Her lungs are blackened with burn marks from the inside. Even though her skin has no burns at all, nothing makes sense. It's like her body has two different stories happening at once. The deeper they go, the stranger things get. Inside her stomach they find a flower that only grows in the north, used centuries ago in rituals, a piece of cloth with ancient symbols, and a strange paralyzing poison. Then they discover something terrifying. She is dead, but her body still reacts like she's alive. Her blood is still fresh, and her muscles haven't stiffened. The father realizes, this isn't a normal corpse. Someone didn't kill her. They tried to contain her. As the storm outside intensifies, unsettling events begin inside the morgue. Doors slam on their own. Lights flicker. Radios turn on. Bodies in the morgue move even though they're dead. It becomes clear. Whatever was done to this woman didn't stop her power. It trapped it. As the supernatural events grow stronger, Tommy and Austin finally piece the clues together. The cloth found inside her is from the Salem witch trials era. The symbols stitched on it are used in ancient rituals meant to torture someone, not kill them. They realized the horrible truth. Jane Doe was not a witch. She was an innocent woman tortured by people who believed she was one. The pain they forced on her transformed her into something supernatural, a living curse preserved forever, and now that curse is waking up. The father decides that the only way to stop her is to finish the ritual, to offer himself in place of her pain. He apologizes to the woman's body as he allows the curse to consume him. His son watches helplessly as the supernatural force takes the father's life. Believing it's over, Austin tries to escape, but the curse hasn't finished with him. Jane Doe makes him see illusions, pushing him into a fatal fall. The storm ends. The morgue becomes silent. The next morning, the sheriff takes Jane Doe's body away, unaware of what really happened. As the ambulance drives off, her toe twitches slightly, a sign that her curse is still alive. And somewhere else, another tragedy is about to begin. What do you think happened to Jane Doe? Was she a victim? Or something more powerful? Tell me in the comments and subscribe for more movie recaps.